Nail art has evolved into a captivating form of self-expression that goes beyond just beauty and enters the world of artistic expression. The canvas, your fingernail, the colors, endless, the designs as amazing as your imagination allows. In the exploration of nail art, let's dive into a world where creativity has no limits and nails become tiny work of art. From vivid and lively shades of delicate and detailed patterns, let's delve into the intriguing world of nail art, celebrating its ability to turn fingertips into art pieces. The basis of any nail art masterpiece starts with a range of colors. Many colors are available in the market. You can choose according to your personality or your choice. Nail artists and enthusiasts have access to a wide variety of nail polishes, each color having its own unique charm, from classic reds to vibrant blues, from soft pink to deep purples. The options are boundless. For parties with a vibrant and festive atmosphere, bold and bright nail polishes are a great choice. Shades like electric blue, hot pink, and neon green can make a striking statement. These colors are perfect for summer pool parties, music festivals, and birthday celebrations. Pair them with playful nail art designs or go for a solid color to let your nails steal a spotlight. Colors can convey feelings, match outfits, and simply provide a visual treat. Explore the world of nail polishes collections and discover how choosing the right color can set the stage of your nail art journey.